This is Dr. Ruma Sinha, Professor of Gynecology, Laparoscopic and Robotic Surgeon at Apollo Hospital, Hyderabad. What is infertility? It simply means that you are having difficulty in getting pregnant or conceiving. Well, for an average couple, less than 35 years, it takes about 1 year of unprotected sex to get pregnant. So you should not start getting worried before 1 year is over. For a patient between 35 to 40 years, you must at least give a try for 6 months, and if you don't get pregnant in 6 months' time, you may be able to seek help for your infertility problem. But if you are beyond 40 years, then maybe once you decide that you want to plan a baby, you must seek a gynecologist advice, maybe almost immediately, to understand what are the difficulties that you may face. Well, what is the prevalence of infertility in our society? About 5 to 10% of average couples who are trying to get pregnant will face the problem of infertility. But infertility is not just the problem of the woman. It can be a problem of both men and women. About 1/3 of problem of infertility occurs because of female factors, as we call it. That means there is some problem in the woman which we need to treat. 1/3 actually happens because of the problem in the semen or problem in the men. The last 1/3 problems can occur because either there is a combined factor, that means there is some part of female factor, some part of male factor, or it's an unexplained infertility where we actually don't find any problem. Number one, it could be problem of egg formation, as I explained. So which are the patients who have problems with egg formation? Either you have a problem called PCOD, you are obese, you have an early menopause kind of premature ovarian failure, your eggs are not forming correctly. These are the situations where eggs don't form properly. Or if you are very elderly, then the eggs are forming, but the quality is not good. There is chromosomal problems in those eggs. They are aged eggs, so they don't give rise to good or normal babies. The second risk factors could be your obesity. Now, weight gain, more BMI, is one of the most common reason for infertility in women. In fact, it is said that 10 to 12% of infertility in women is just because of obesity. And if you lose weight, your chance of conception becomes high. We in fact counsel patients to just lose 5% of whatever weight they have, and their chance of conception increases very high. So removing the problems of smoking, alcohol, substance abuse, reducing your weight, managing your obesity, keeping your weight under good control is very, very important when you are taking treatment on infertility. Don't just depend on your doctor to give you everything, because there is no magic. Whatever the doctor does to improve your fertility status will also depend upon how good your body is to imbibe those treatments. And that will go a good way if you lose weight, maintain good diet, exercise regularly, keep your body healthy. Then the treatment that we do for your fertility will make all the difference. So infertility is an increasing problem, mainly because for these other environmental factors, as well as couples are seeking to get pregnant at a later stage in their life. So what happens is a young couple who gets married does not want to get pregnant immediately. They will wait for 3 to 4 years, and when they decide that I want to get pregnant, they will be in a rush. So there will be impatience that the minute I decide I should be pregnant, the minute 2 months are over, you are not pregnant, you immediately want treatment. I don't think that is the right approach. One must give adequate time for you to get pregnant spontaneously in the natural fashion, unless there is any reason where natural pregnancy is not possible and you need a support. However, if your age has become very high and you need to get pregnant, then you need to seek help, because as you age, both for men and women, you may have ovulatory as well as sperm dysfunctions and deformities, and then getting pregnant may require some medical intervention. And keep a positive frame of mind, because I feel that's the most important thing that helps you.